Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Webull account. To begin, simply download the Webull application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will then be prompted to enter your mobile phone number and create a strong, unique password for your new account. This initial step is quick and straightforward, setting the foundation for your investment journey. Next, you will need to provide some essential personal information for regulatory compliance. This includes your full legal name, your date of birth, and your social security number. You will also be asked to enter your current residential address and a valid email address for communication. Finally, confirm your citizenship status and provide details about your employment. This information helps Webull verify your identity and ensure a secure trading environment. Once your personal details are submitted, the next step is to fund your Webull account. You can easily link your bank account by providing your routing and account numbers. An ACH transfer is a common method, usually taking 1 to 3 business days for funds to become available. For quicker access to your funds, you might consider a wire transfer, though it's important to note that this option may involve additional fees. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Finally, before submitting your application, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have provided to ensure everything is accurate and complete. After confirming your details, you will need to agree to Webull's terms and conditions. Once submitted, your application will undergo a review process. Account approval typically takes about 1 business day, after which you will be ready to start trading and exploring the investment opportunities Webull offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.